It's a simple question that I get every single day, and I have a very simple answer. How do I keep my eyes healthy? Let me tell you. Whenever we go to the eye doctor, we want to make sure our eyes are healthy, that we can see at our absolute best. And then we want to know, what can we do to maintain the vision that we have? Well, I have a simple trick to keep you seeing the best you possibly can. It's called Lid Hygiene. Lid Hygiene, you ask? What is that? Well, I like to joke with my patients that this is my version of brushing and flossing. It's simply cleaning your lids and lashes, removing bacteria, reducing inflammation. Think about it. At work, we're in office environments, we're staring at screens, we're in dusty, dirty environments that have a lot of debris that can get our lids and lashes, or we're outside working and we're exposed to the elements. I live in Michigan. My patients get extreme cold, extreme heat, and everything in between. We have early fall and late spring, a ton of allergen, the things are blooming, your eyes are irritated and itchy. Guess what? Lid Hygiene can help you with all these things to make you see better, make your eyes feel better. Those contact lenses you want to wear, they will feel so much better if you keep those lids and lashes clean and healthy. Let me tell you how. To a varying degree, no matter what we're doing, we are perspiring. So sweat is accumulating, skin is exfoliating, accumulating on those lids and lashes. Debris, allergens, pollen, all that's gonna get there. So you have to clean it off. Two of my favorite things to use are hypochlorous acid spray. I like the brand Avenova, or a tea tree foam cleanser. The one I like is from iEco. Don't just use any old tea tree oil because it can be very abrasive to the eyes. You want it to be formulated to be used around the lids and lashes. That's why I like iEco. Now, both of these things are gonna do essentially the same thing. They're gonna kill bacteria, reduce inflammation, get all that extra dust and debris off your lids and lashes. This will also make it so it's not accumulating on your contact lenses throughout the day. The Avenova spray is simple and quick. One spray, morning and night, is gonna make your eyes feel that much better. The foam cleanser, a little bit different. You're gonna wanna put it on your fingers, rub it on your lids and lashes, let it sit for a minute, wash it off, and you'll feel great. Now, I don't clean my face at night, so I use the foam cleanser in the shower. I use the Avenova spray morning and night when I wake up and before I go to bed. Either way, you're gonna get the same result, but you need to do something to clean those lids and lashes. You'll thank me for it. You'll see that much better. Trust me, I do this every day. So I love talking about the eyes. If you wanna hear more, like, subscribe, ring that bell. We have new incoming content every single week. We love to talk about dry eye, contact lenses, anything that can make your vision be better are the things that I'm gonna talk about.